all started with a call from our client requesting a reliable and sustainable power solution. After receiving the call, our team proceeded for a thorough site inspection to understand the energy demand and layout of the property. The project was no small task. This was a huge 5-bedroom duplex apartment requiring a system that could deliver consistent and dependable power day and night. With this in mind, we had to take every little details into consideration during the site inspection. At a point, the team had to open the DB board to study the wiring system of the building. Proper recommendation was made and a conclusion was drawn. We set out fully prepared for the installation day. On arrival at the site, our engineers and technicians got to work immediately. The system we installed was a 10 kilowatt Tasha energy inverter paired with a 70.5 kilowatt AKSUN lithium battery, a powerful combination built for durability and performance. We began with the exterior work, installing 16 pieces of 450 watts monocrystalline solar panels. This was the stage where the panels were carefully lifted, mounted, and aligned for maximum efficiency. As you can see, the panels were neatly laid out, forming the backbone of the solar solution. Next, we moved to the interior setup and we started with the unboxing the 70.5 kilowatt AKSUN lithium battery, followed by careful placement and connection. From there, we continued with the wiring of the house, separating loads to ensure efficiency and safety, and fishing wires up to the next floor. It was a tedious task, but with our dedicated team, no challenge is too tough. We never stop until results are achieved. Finally, the system came together beautifully, and here it is, this massive project powering a huge 5-bedroom duplex apartment with clean, uninterrupted energy. Here is the team leader talking about the project.
Welcome, guys. So we just finished installing a beautiful system here. This is a 10 kilowatt Tasha Energy Hybrid Inverter, and then we have our beast here, 17.5 kilowatt lithium battery, AKSUN. So here is our beautiful protection box. We have right from the roof there, we have 16 solar panels, 450 watts. We have 2 strings of that, so we divided it into 2 different strings, whereby we have 8 connected in series, another string 8 connected in series. So we have our first breakers here, which fed the first strings. Second breaker fed the first strings, and we have each of the breakers protected with our SPD DC, as a surge creating device in case of surges that will come from lightning and DC surge, what have you. So this is the first string, 7 strings. So now we have a voltage protector from the grid side. So and then we also have our AC surge for the output, and lastly we have our voltage protector for the output. As you can see, the system is running. It powers this 5-bedroom duplex apartment, and this supplying currently 220 volts, 2.3 amps of load currently on it, and you can see our piece is doing fine from the solar string. You can see the voltage coming in from the solar string. We have about 230 The time currently by my phone is on 6:22. By 6:37 now, solar will be off completely. So, but we still.
For more exciting videos, feel free to follow us on all our social media and thank you.